Welcome to Albania. Ayan guys, dumating na kami dito sa Albania galing sa Alberuvelo tapos punta ng Bari. Pagdating ng Bari, sumakay kami ng ferry boat papuntang Albania. So overnight yan sa ferry boat. Meron kaming room para matulog, para kinabukasan pagbaba namin, hahanapin namin yung aming hotel. So after hanap ng hotel, lalagay lang namin yung bagahe at magde-day tour na naman tayo dahil titira tayo dito ng 3 araw. So enjoy guys! Wala nutrishamba dan lubatur and toilet and bath. Sikta sampabong. And hanger and the bed. Voila. So next morning we arrive in Tirana, Albania, and then when we go out from the ferry boat, we're going to drive to look for our accommodation. Abangan. Welcome to Albania. Voila, voila. We are in the port na. Voila, paghanap ng hotel, grabe, ang hirap hanapin dahil yung address hindi matagpo-tagpuan namin. So, ilang restaurant ang pinagtanungan ko kung saan yung address na yan. Pero at the end of the day, at the end of natagpuan ko rin yung aming hotel. So super bait naman ng owner ng Airbnb namin. Sabi nila, pag kumain kami, ayan, meron mga recommended restaurants at tapos yung day tour kung saan pwedeng sumakay ng tourist bus. Tirana, Albanian pronunciation Tiruna, is the capital and largest city of Albania. It is located in the center of the country, enclosed by mountains and hills, with the Dazti rising to the east and a slight valley to the northwest overlooking the Adriatic Sea. So guys, ang Tirana, only overnight sa ferry boat from Italy. So malapit ito sa Italy. Kaya maraming Italian pumupunta. So ayan, pupunta kami ngayon ng plaza pagkatapos yung market at saka souvenir shop. Tapos at the same time, kumain na rin bago kami umuwi sa aming hotel. Ayan, mamimili tayo ngayon ng souvenir para dalhin sa aking mga anak pag uwi namin ng France. So, ang aming last days, nagplan kami dumaan muna sa isang village. Ang pangalan ay Scooter. So guys, after buong araw sa Tirana, next day, nag-drive naman kami papuntang south ng Albania. So, pumunta kami ng Scooter, Albania. Voila, voila. J'espère que tout va bien. Enjoy watching. So, now we are approaching Scooter. And then, we have to visit the ancient highway papuntang Turkey. Europe to Turkey. Ciao, ciao! Ayan, dumating na kami at hinahanap namin ang site na yan na maraming turista ang nagpupunta. dito tayo sa probinsya o baryo ng Albania. Hindi ko mabigkas yung pangalan ng. So ito yung, this is the oldest bridge in Albania. On our way to Montenegro, we pass by here. Wala. Yan. Oh. Ang hirap maglakad kasi ayan, batu. Ayan, batu. See? Ayan. Darating na tayo doon sa bridge. Ayan, darating na tayo sa Shkudir. Is the most historic town in Albania. The oldest wall of the Shkudir castle dates from the 1st millennium BCE. The Roman historian Livy cited the town as the capital of the Illyrian king Gentius, who surrendered to the Romans in 168 BCE. So ito guys, ito daw yung dating highway or daan galing Europe papuntang Turkey, puntang Istanbul. So dito dumadaan yung mga kabayo or mga sasakyan noong araw dito sa lugar na to. Pero ngayon hindi na yan ginagamit. So ngayon ito na lang yung historic bridge na pinupuntahan ng mga turista. Tapos sa baba, mayroon river na malinaw. Ayan, river na malinaw ang tubig. Ayan. Shkudir was a self-made Muslim monarch and the king of all Albanians until 1939 when Italy invaded Albania. Shkudir resisted under the lead of Mehmet Ulagaj. Shkudir, the name itself has a meaning in the Albanian language. The name Shkudra is derived from Shkudrin, which means go drain or drain goose. The other name used for the city are Skutari and Skudri. All of them have meaning and are Albanian words in today's Albanian language. The northern center and gateway to the Alps of Albania is Shkudra. It is one of the oldest cities in the country, founded in the 4th century BC as the center of the Lavis tribe of Illyrians known with the name Shkudra. Is Shkudra worth visiting? It is brimming with natural beauty and cultural charm. There are lots of things to see and do in Shkudir. While in the city, you can explore its pedestrian street, visit various museums, or try paddle boarding across Shkudra Lake. The Ruzafa Castle sits high above the city and overlooks the nearby lake Shkudir. So guys, sa isang day tour lang namin, so hindi kami nakapag-tour talaga ng buong Albania. Kasi next day we're going to Montenegro. Kaya sinusulit-sulit na natin dito sa Shkudir ang ating pagtutour sa buong araw. Pagkatapos, the drive naman tayo papuntang Montenegro. At alam nyo guys, on the way from between Albania and Montenegro, may bagyo talaga, grabe. Ang lakas ng hangin, ang lakas ng ulan, walang makita sa daan. So ayan, matatapos na yung ating day tour dito sa South, dito sa Shkudir. Tapos balik na tayo on our way to Montenegro. Yehey! Excited! Exciting na ako. Ciao, ciao. I hope you enjoy.